Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Hell Biome in Sols RNG. This biome is a very rare and challenging area, appearing with a 1 in 6,666 chance and lasting for only 11 minutes. You'll need to be well prepared with powerful auras and maximized luck to make the most of your time. Knowing the enemies and their patterns will be key to your survival and success. Before you even think about entering the Hell Biome, preparation is paramount. Make sure your character is equipped with auras that provide substantial boosts to both your damage output and defensive capabilities. Maximizing your luck stat is also vital, as it directly impacts the rarity of auras you can obtain. Stock up on healing items and any beneficial buffs. For guaranteed access, consider joining a private server through the official Discord. Once inside the Hell Biome, navigation is critical. The map features a dark red and black theme with lava, so prioritize avoiding environmental hazards. Focus on eliminating weaker enemies first to create safe zones and prevent being overwhelmed. Use your movement abilities to skillfully dodge incoming powerful attacks from stronger foes. Always remain vigilant and aware of your surroundings, as threats can emerge quickly in this chaotic environment. To maximize your gains in the Hell Biome, employ smart strategies. Target specific enemy types that are known to drop the auras you desire, such as Bloodlust or Hades. Playing with a team can significantly increase your chances of survival and allow for more efficient farming. Always manage your inventory to ensure you can pick up valuable loot like the Eternal Flame. Remember, this biome is your gateway to 4 unique and powerful auras.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.